Good morning, dreamers. This is day 2 of our sailing on the Allure of the Seas. I am sitting out here on the balcony. Ken and I, we just had breakfast. We had continental breakfast that delivered to the stateroom. That's the only room service that is complimentary. Everything else has a surcharge to it. But we had coffee, an assortment of pastries. That was a donut, little croissants with fruit and a custard in it, and then a couple muffins. And we had a fruit tray, and Ken had a bagel with cream cheese, and he had a yogurt. He didn't eat the yogurt. He's going to have it for later. And we had orange juice and apple juice. So that was pretty good. It was nice to have a private brunch, as you will, on our balcony. So we have this wonderful table to eat at. And now Ken is about to go and see what was at the Solarium Bistro. They had a brunch this morning, so he just wanted to see what they were serving up there. And I'm gonna hang out in the room for a little while longer and get dressed. I'm gonna take my time because it's a lazy day. No rushing on sea days. Trying to get a little bit of relaxation in on this trip. And then once he comes back, I guess we'll go exploring. He wants to go ice skating today, and then he also maybe wants to do the zip line today. So we'll see. We'll take you along with us. But it's going to be a fun day.
All right, good morning, dreamers. How you doing today? We're down here at the Solarium on the Allure of the Seas. Today is a sea day, and came down to check out their sea day brunch, which we took a little video of that. This is an adult-only area, but it's just so nice. We came here yesterday, not quite as crowded, but this is a sea day. But the Solarium is a beautiful, beautiful kind of retreat to get away from, some areas of the ship. So you definitely got to try it out. And on the sea day, it's open from 9:30 to 12:30. And they had, a small assortment of stuff, but it looked pretty good. People are down here relaxing. They got a couple pools, a couple jacuzzis. Just below, they had the infinity pool kind of sitting off the ship. I'll show you a picture of that. So come on down to the Solarium, Allure of the Seas, adult only. It's beautiful. All right, dreamers, this is for you. Never been on skates, so if you want to see me fall on my butt, here we go.
You're gonna do great.
like you made it around once.
I know.
Just want to let you know this is kind of a hidden gem. On deck 5, I think, come all the way to the back of the ship on the running track, and there's some nice chairs sitting right off the aft of the ship. Very peaceful, very quiet. You can see